Welcome to today's update. Multiple times we've seen BTC with a major rally here on the daily time frame. Whenever we see this yellow line crosses or goes above the white line, we saw it here in May 2025, and also the same signal was repeated here back in September 2024. Now, if you take a look at this current market condition, we are yet again printing the same signal here on the daily time frame. The question now is, are we going to see history repeat itself at this level? Well, this is left for you to decide, because in the next few minutes I'm going to walk you through this price chart here on the daily time frame. Now, we're also going to be looking at BTC here on this daily price chart, because despite having this major bullish trend crossover right here, we are still seeing BTC price stuck within this bear flag pattern, and right now we are having a major rejection at this level. So we're going to be looking at all of this in today's video to see if we are definitely going to see a major pump in the next few weeks. And also we are going to be looking at the Fed meeting that is coming up in the next 8 hours. So we have a lot to talk about here in today's video. Just make sure you watch this video to the end. Now, taking a look at BTC here on the weekly time frame, like I said, I'm going to walk you through these major lines right here. The two lines you are currently seeing on the price chart now, they are moving averages. The white line here is 100 moving average, and also this yellow line here is the 20 moving average. Now, if you want to add these moving averages to your price chart, it's very simple, and I'm going to walk you through it. But before that, let me remove the ones I have on my price chart here so that it will look clean. Now we are having a clean price chart. In order for you to add these moving averages to your price chart, just come to your indicator panel right here, then search for simple moving average, or you can just say SMA, which is an abbreviation for simple moving average. Now, once you put in the SMA, it will appear as simple moving average. You can see I've already styled it. That is why it came out immediately. I typed in this SMA. Now, what you need to do is click it, and you will see it appeared on your price chart. What I did was to come down to the setting here, this button right here, which is also known as setting. Then I changed the length, which is the normal default length is 9. So I changed the length to 20. And I came down to style. I changed this color here, this blue color, to yellow so that I can see it more clearly. Now I clicked OK. Then let's bring in the 100 moving average. This is the 20 moving average. Now with the 100 moving average, same procedure, just like how you did the 20 moving average. Just search for SMA, and your moving average will come up. Then click on the moving average to appear. Then come down to the setting. As usual, the default setting will be 9, so you have to change this to 100 and come down to style, then change the color to white. Then from there, just click your OK button, and the 2 moving average is actively on your price chart. Now, if you take a look at history here, like I said on the intro, BTC have always seen a major pump here on the daily time frame. Whenever we see the yellow line right here, which is the 20 moving average, crossing or breaking above or sitting above the white line. If you take a look at history here, it happened here in May 2025, and also here in September 2024. If we also take a look at 2023, I think it happened as well. Yeah, it happens in October 2023. So this yellow line right here has been a bullish signal for BTC, that whenever we see the yellow line being above the white line, this has always been a proper rally for BTC. And also, if you turn things around, you will also see that whenever this yellow line right there is also below the white line, this has always been a weakness for the entire price structure of BTC. If you take a look at it here now in February 2024, when the line went below the white line here, what we saw from BTC was a major downtrend of about 21%. And if you take a look at this current market condition, you also see that the yellow line has been below the white line, and we have been seeing weakness from the price of BTC. This has given us a major downtrend of about 47% here on the daily time frame. Right now, we just had the crossover here on the price chart, and if history should repeat here at this level, we are definitely going to see BTC having a major pump here on the daily time frame. Because if you take a look at the major pump we've seen, back here in May 2025, this was where the line crossed, and you can see that we had a major pump of about 35% here on the daily time frame. So if history should repeat itself, and if we should see a major pump of about 35% here on the daily time frame, then we should be looking at a price target of about 100k here on the daily time frame. With that being said, despite this bullish signal here happening on this current price chart, if you take a look at another daily time frame here that we be talking about every day on this channel, you see that we are still stuck within this bear flag pattern right here, and as you can see, we have failed to see a daily candle closed above this major level of resistance here, and this has brought a weakness to the price. So right now we are seeing weakness from the price, and if we are to repeat history here at this level, just like what we saw at this major level here back in January, then we should be looking at BTC price coming down to test major level of support here, sitting at the 68k level to 69k level here on the daily time frame. Though we are still looking bullish here on this daily price chart, but in terms of technical analysis, you can see we are still stuck within this price range here, and this is not good for the entire price chart of BTC. If we keep seeing rejection at this level, it's just a matter of time. We are definitely going to see a major downtrend, just like what we saw back here in January. So what I'm expecting from the price right now is a major break above this level of resistance right here, then hold above it, and from there we can easily invalidate this bearish pattern right here and hit much more higher prices here on the daily time frame. And in so doing, we are definitely going to grab this major liquidity that is currently sitting on the liquidation heat map of BTC. Currently we are having the major liquidity sitting at $79k $500 level approximately, and as long as we keep having major level of liquidity building above the current price of BTC, this is going to be a pivot or a strength that is going to drop BTC price to much more higher prices. So let's watch out for the major level of liquidity here, sitting at the 79k 500 to the 80k level here on 1 week of price action. So that is it here for the liquidation heat map. And also, if you take a look at BTC on much more lower time frame, we just confirmed a break below this major trend line. In my last update, I talked about this trend line here, which I said since we are still having this bearish divergence playing out here on the 4 hours price chart, we are likely to break below this major trend line. And as you can see, we have broken below the trend line, and we also came back to retest it and got rejected. Now the major level of support right here on the 4 hours price chart is this current trend line, sitting at the approximately 75k level. And if you see the price coming down to 75k level, then we see a pretty bounce or a hold above it. This is going to tell us that this support is absolutely solid, and we might begin to see a major uptrend very soon. But right now, if we get a break into the trend, then easily we can see much more higher prices here on the 4 hours price chart. So far so good. We are still playing out this bearish divergence, and it has not been invalidated yet, because if you take a look at it now, we had an equal high here on the price, but if you take a look at the RSI, you can see we printed a higher low here on the RSI. So on the short term here, BTC is looking very, very weak. Current level of resistance here is sitting at this level, the 79k level, and the major level of support here on this 4 hours price chart is sitting at 75k level here approximately. If you see the price breaking above this major level of support, which is the 75k level, then we should be looking at much more lower prices like the 73k level, and also majorly, and also the 70k level to the 65 and 68k level here on the 4 hours price chart. So that is it here for the entire price chart of BTC. Now, if admitting that is coming up 8 hours from now, it is now 100% priced in that we are not going to see any rate change. So what you'll be looking at here is forward speech, and also if we do see any change from the rate, it's going to affect the entire global market and also the entire crypto market. So this is what I currently have concerning the entire crypto market today. If you like this video and you want to continue to watch this kind of content on YouTube, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel right here. Turn on the notification bell so that next time when I make a specific video just like this, you will definitely be notified. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.